Basura sa Manila Bay ay pagkakawari nga sa problema ito ang lumabas sa unang taong pag-aaral ng Eco-Exploration sa baha.
Kimi no naka ni aru aka to aoki seno それらが結ばれるのは真の像ルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルルル 君の中にある赤と青き線もそれらが結ぶ
Wait. Before we continue, can I ask something? Why it is important to us that our environment needs to be clean and protected? Kasi, para sa akin, hindi lamang ito para sa atin, kundi pati na rin sa mga bagay na nabubuhay dito sa mundo. We need to clean and protect our environment because it directly affects our health, safety, and quality of life. A clean environment prevents, reduces pollution, spread diseases, and provide us clean water and fresh air that is essential for our living. Protecting the environment helps preserve natural resources like water, forests, and soil so future generations can also benefit from them. Many plants and animals depend on a healthy environment to survive. By protecting it, we also protect ecosystem and balance in nature.
It is important to turn off the lights when not in use because it helps save energy, which reduces the burning of fossil fuels that cause air pollution and climate change. Watering plants is important for the environment because it helps them grow healthy and strong, allowing them to produce oxygen. Cleaning the surroundings is important for the environment because it helps reduce pollution, keeps the air and water clean, and prevents spread of diseases. A clean environment also protects plants and animals, maintains the beauty of nature. Trees and plants also prevent soil erosion, maintain water balance, and serve as habitats for animals. By planting, we help fight climate change and create a healthier, greener, and more sustainable environment. Properly disposing of waste reduces the use of large water waste, protect wildlife from eating harmful materials, and keep the soil and air healthier. A clean environment also promotes a safer and more beautiful community for everyone. By simply turning off the faucet, we can protect water resources and reduce environmental impact.
Basura sa Marinade ay pagkakawa rin sa problema. Ito ang lumabas sa unang taong pag-aaral ng Eco Exploration.